Hi, Boss Tenny. I just received my package just now, and because yesterday I didn't have any time to get it, and I hope my Nando is okay. And I think my instinct doesn't work today because I'm expecting my t-shirts. But anyway, here we go. We have to start now and try to open this. This is my first unboxing. There we go. Here is it, my N.Chromatus, and we'll try to put right here. I will use my hands, my fingers, so that's it. It's done, and I hope you enjoy it then. Don't come up, don't, yeah, okay. Here we go. Thank you, and I hope my video is good.